How to get $180 Uber working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on, as this is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 25% off, 20% cashback, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Once we're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While we're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $180 working coupon code for Uber. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.